Hey there, future entrepreneurs. Welcome back to our series on starting your business with zero investment. In our previous video, we talked about crowdfunding, a way to raise money from a large group of people online. But what if you want to find one big investor who believes in your startup and is ready to back you financially? That's exactly what we are going to talk about today: angel investors. Who are angel investors? Angel investors are individuals who invest their own money in early-stage startups. Unlike banks or venture capitalists, they are usually successful entrepreneurs or professionals who want to support the next generation of businesses. They invest in risky but promising startups and, in return, take a small share of ownership, equity, in the company. Why do angel investors invest in startups? There are 5 key reasons why angel investors put their money into startups. Early stage investment. They invest when a business is just starting, often before it starts making profits. Personal wealth. They use their own money, unlike venture capitalists who manage funds from multiple investors. Smaller investment size. Angel investments usually range from a few lakhs to a few crores, making them more accessible to startups. High risk, high reward. If your startup succeeds, their investment can multiply in value. But if it fails, they lose their money. More than just money. Many angel investors mentor startups, provide networking opportunities, and help with business strategy. So, if you're looking for funding plus mentorship, an angel investor might be your perfect match. How to find an angel investor? Unlike banks or crowdfunding, angel investors won't come to you, you have to find them and convince them. Here's how. 1. Start with your own network. Talk to friends, family, and professional contacts. You never know who might be interested in investing. Attend industry events and meet experienced entrepreneurs who may introduce you to investors. 2. Attend networking events and pitch competitions. Startup expos, innovation fairs, and business pitch competitions are full of angel investors looking for the next big idea. Keep an elevator pitch ready, you never know when you might meet the right investor. 3. Use online platforms. Websites like AngelList, Gust, or Let's Venture India connect startups with angel investors. Some equity crowdfunding platforms like Republic or Seed Invest allow angel investors to explore new startups. 4. Connect with angel investor groups. Many angel investors team up to share the risks and invest together. Some well-known groups include Indian Angel Network, IAN, Mumbai Angels, Thai Angels, Keiretsu Forum. Look for regional and industry-specific investor groups for better chances of funding. 5. Join incubators and accelerators. Startup programs like Y Combinator, Techstars, and Startup India often connect entrepreneurs with angel investors. They train and mentor you to prepare for funding. 6. Build your online presence. LinkedIn. Connect with investors, share your startup journey, and build credibility. Social media and website. Showcase your business progress so investors can see your growth and traction. 7. Prepare a winning pitch. Create a strong pitch deck that highlights your business idea, market opportunity, and financial projections. Be ready with a short and powerful elevator pitch that explains why your business is worth investing in. 8. Approach professional associations. Groups like TIE, the Indus Entrepreneurs, have investor members and host events where you can meet them. These associations also offer mentorship and workshops to improve your business strategy. 9. Use cold outreach, but do it right. Find potential investors online, research their past investments, and send them a personalized email explaining why your startup fits their interests. Avoid mass emails, investors can tell when you're just copy-pasting. 10. Show proof that your startup is growing. Investors want to see real progress before investing. Show them a growing customer base, revenue generation, or a clear plan to make money. Testimonials, media coverage, or industry partnerships. The more traction you have, the more likely an angel investor will take you seriously. What happens after an angel investor says yes? Finding an investor is just half the journey. Here's what happens next. 1. Due diligence. The investor will study your business before investing. They'll check your team. Are you capable of running this business? Your market and competitors. Is there real demand for your product? Your business model. How will you make money? Your financials and legal documents. Are you following regulations? 2. Investment decision. If everything checks out, the investor negotiates terms like how much money they'll invest, what percentage of the company they'll own, any special rights or conditions they want. 3. Signing the term sheet and getting the funds. Once both sides agree, they sign a term sheet, which is a document outlining the investment deal. Then, the money is transferred, and you officially have an angel investor on board. What's next? Meet the venture capitalists. Now, here's where it gets even more exciting. Angel investors are great for early-stage funding, but what happens when your startup grows bigger and needs millions in investment? That's where venture capital comes in. In the next video, I'll explain how venture capital firms invest in startups, what they look for before funding you, how to prepare for VC pitches and secure large investments. And now, tell me in the comments, if you could pitch your startup to an angel investor right now, what would you say? Let's practice together. Until next time, keep hustling, keep building.